And welcome back. Second half action now. It's all about winning the remaining two matches of Group C in the World Cup qualifiers and nothing else. The Reggae Girlz will play the Cayman Islands on Saturday before closing out against the Dominican Republic next Tuesday, knowing only the group winner will advance to the final round. Despite trailing the Dominican Republic on goal difference after two rounds of matches, the Reggae Girlz should avoid panic. The task is simple: beat those in front of them, and immediately in their vision are the Cayman Islands and the Dominican Republic. That's something that goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer is quite aware of.
We don't take any team for granted, and we'll go into each game. They're both important, so we'll go into each game, take the first game as it comes, and then see how the second game goes.
As a goalkeeper, she also knows the importance of keeping clean sheets.
You don't want to concede in these games, and moving forward, it's our responsibility as well to score goals. As a defensive unit, we can also help create goals. So I think it's the whole team's responsibility to score goals and not concede. So yeah, I think it's a job for everyone.
And with goal difference playing a possible part in deciding who takes the final berth, striker Jody Brown says there's one thing to do.
I think everyone knows the situation. We just got to go out there and compete, score as much goals as we can.
One good thing for the Jamaicans is that they'll be aware of the Dom Rep penultimate result before their game on Saturday.
Come on the 8th, we know the results between Bermuda and Dom Rep, so we know exactly what we need to do going into the Cayman game. Unlike when we played Grenada, we were too anxious to score goals. I think that affected us. This time we are preparing just to maintain possession and score goals as it comes.
The girls will depart the island on Thursday before returning to face the Dom Rep at Sabina Park on Tuesday.